Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy new issue T-bills on Fidelity. First, understand that Treasury bills are short-term debt obligations issued by the U.S. government, sold at a discount, and mature at face value. They are considered very low risk. You can purchase these directly through your Fidelity brokerage account, which simplifies the process significantly. We will cover accessing the right section and placing your order. To begin, securely log into your Fidelity brokerage account. Once logged in, navigate to the Fixed Income section, typically found under the Trade and Orders menu. From there, look for the New Issues or Treasuries tab to view available auctions. You can then filter the listings to find Treasury bills that match your preferred maturity dates, such as 4-week or 8-week options. When placing your order, you will select the specific T-bill auction you wish to participate in. You can choose between a non-competitive bid, where you accept the auction's average yield, or a competitive bid, where you specify your desired yield. For example, you might enter a face value of $10,000. Always review your order details carefully before submitting to ensure accuracy and avoid errors. After submitting your bid, you can review your order status within your account's activity history. Understand that settlement typically occurs shortly after the auction date. It is important to monitor your T-bill's performance and keep track of its maturity date. As your T-bills mature, you will have the option to receive the proceeds or consider reinvesting them into new Treasury bill auctions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.